Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mally, and in today's video I'm doing sort of like a first impressions makeup look. Disclaimer, this is not a full face of first impressions. I already started off with my base on, but the rest of the products are new. Not so much brand new like in general, but brand new to me. So yeah, it's just me trying out a bunch of new products that I got. And I am going to be doing a haul video pretty soon, including all of these products, where I got them from, the prices and all that. So if you want to see a haul video including all of these and more, definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look today and what kind of products I used and my first impressions, go ahead and just keep on watching. Alrighty, jumping right into the makeup. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put on my eyebrows because I don't like looking at my face without them. I'm like a literal alien over here. This is the Mally Beauty Evercolor Brow Defining Gel, and this one is in Taupe. It also came with this cute little like brow brush. It's got like the applicator part on the end, and then it's got a little spoolie on that end, which I think is super cute. So me trying them out together just to see like how decent they are. So let me zoom you in. Go ahead and open this up. And what's cool about this is it has like a little cushion inside, so I guess you don't get too much product out at one time, which is really neat actually. So I'm just like stamping the brush right into there. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a little bit of product that's coming off. Okay, now I'm gonna try to apply it to my brows. I think I need a little more. I hope the color works out for me too, because when I picked this up they really didn't have a lot of shades left. They only had like the taupe one and then like a super dark brown, so I hope that this works. So far it's applying really lightly, and I have to keep dipping back into the product, which I guess is a good thing because then you don't have to worry about getting too much on the brush at one time. That's what it's looking like so far. It's really natural actually. I was kind of thinking it would be more like an Anastasia dip brow, but it's definitely not. Not that the Anastasia dip brow is like harsh, but it's not as intense as that one is. You definitely have to like build this up and start out slow. This is what the inside of the product looks like now after I've been digging around with the little brush. Which it's a cool idea that they thought to put the little guard there, so you don't get too much product, and then I guess also so it doesn't dry out as fast. So give them props for that, not a bad thought. I think I'm definitely gonna have to go ahead and clean these up a bit because they're kind of looking messy. Can you see that? They look good. I just feel like I'm having a hard time getting like the fronts of my brows, like the hairs up there, to be covered. Okay, so this is not a new product that I'm using right now. Obviously, it's just a concealer that I had lying around. This is the Maybelline Master Concealer, and I'm just gonna be going in with a little JH43 brush. It's just a little flat brush just because I want to underline the brows a little bit and kind of define them a bit more and clean them up. So I'm just going right underneath where I put all the product. and then blending down. Then I'm just gonna quickly clean up the top part of it as well. Okay, I think that is good enough. One thing I also did notice is that this Mally Beauty brow product dries down really, really fast. I don't know if the fact that I did my foundation before brows had anything to do with like changing of the formula or how it went on, but right now it's like really matte looking. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it's super like set down like on my face, so I don't even feel like the need to go in with a brow gel or anything. So now that we've got brows out of the way, really quickly, another product that is not a first impressions, I'm gonna go into the Naked Urban Decay palette really fast, and I'm just gonna use the two matte brown shades just to act as a like crease color for my eye, because I have a shadow stick from Mally Beauty that I'm going to be using, and I just wanted to have a little something in my crease first before I just went in with that. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, now for the actual eyeshadow. This is a Mally Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and this one is in, I don't even know if you'd see that, it's in Over the Taupe. Here, I'll zoom you in a little bit. So this is what it looks like, just a cream eyeshadow basically, and it's like a shimmery taupe color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lids. Almost feels like a roller ball. Like almost like one of those roller ball for perfumes that you're just like putting over your eye. But it's an eyeshadow. Okay, so that is what the eyes look like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish. Should I drag it onto my lower lash line as well? Let me see. I'm gonna try and do that actually. Oh, that's pretty. Almost like a gel eyeliner. Just put it like right up against my waterline. And then now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Mally Beauty More is More mascara. I got all of these Mally Beauty products in a kit. I'm going to be doing a haul soon. I don't know if it's going to go up before this video or vice versa, but I'm going to be explaining where I got all the products from that I'm using in this video and how much I got them for, because I got really good deals on a lot of these products. I'm super excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let me go ahead and show you what the wand looks like. It's like very spiky and long. Let me read the two. Oops, I just knocked it over. I don't think it has any like claims, like if it's supposed to be like a volumized mascara or like a lengthening one. I don't know, we'll see. I'm already going in with my second coat. It's a really, really dry formula, I will say that. Okay, so that's like about 2 coats, one eye versus the other. Yeah, I typically like my mascaras to have more of a wet formula. I just feel like it gets the product on them a lot better and they look a lot nicer, but yeah, just noticing that this is a bit more dry than my others that I'm used to. It's not my favorite mascara so far, I mean, it's nice. It's definitely not bad. This mascara on its own does retail for, I think, either $20 or $25. So I probably wouldn't purchase it at full price. Like I said earlier, I did get it at a discount, which you will see in my haul video how much I actually paid for it. But I mean, it's doing a good job. It's doing a good job of like lengthening. They're not as voluminous as I like, but I'm gonna try and build them up and see how thick I can get them to be. Okay, so that is what the eyes are looking right now with the mascara on. I did about 3 to 4 different coats on each of them. This mascara, since the formula is so dry, I definitely recommend going in and doing one eye before the other instead of alternating between the two. I did that and I found that it was a little bit more difficult to build them up. Again, since the formula was so dry, they were kind of like getting clumpy and not really doing a whole lot. So maybe next time I'd go in and I'd just do one full eye, multiple coats, and then start and do the second eye, and that might be a bit better. But it's not bad, definitely not bad, not my favorite, but I'm happy with it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the eyes. Moving on to the face. I forgot my brush. Yeah, so moving on to finish up the face. This is the Too Faced Sweetie Pie. This is a radiant matte bronzer, which if you ask me, I don't really understand why they put radiant matte, because those are kind of two different things. But I mean, when you open it up, it definitely doesn't look matte. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's kind of got a mix of like bronzer, blush, and highlight all together, but it is marketed as a bronzer. It does have little bits of like gold streaks in it too, so I feel like this would be more of like a radiant product than a matte one, but you know, we'll see how it looks. It's really, really pretty though, so I'm excited to try it. And this is just the Morphe M530. I'm just kind of swirling it all around together. And the product smells really good though. I love the way Too Faced products smell, so good. So that is what it's looking like. Really pretty. Definitely doesn't look just like a bronzer though. It looks like kind of like a highlight, bronzer, blush combined, like I was saying, but it's still super pretty. I think it went on really nice too. Yeah, I like it. And then for the rest of my cheek products, again, I got this in another little Mally Beauty kit. What is this called? What is this called? Oh, this is the Effortlessly Airbrush Blush and Highlighter little duo thing. So this right here is the blush. I dropped it already, so that's why it's kind of like a little bit broken, but still. No! Well, that was sad. Now I feel like my mood is like completely killed now. Okay, this is so ratchet, but there's literally like such a small bit in there. I think I'm still gonna try to use it for the sake of the video. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to throw it away after this. That sucks. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, and the little kit that I got, it came with this little like dual-ended brush. I'm assuming this one is gonna be for the blush and this one's for the highlight, so I'm still gonna use it anyway, just so I can see, oh wow, how pretty it would have been if I didn't just break it. Oh, I hope I don't like it actually, because I'm gonna be so upset. Yeah, this is literally like shattered, so there's so much product. Is it just me or is it not like super pigmented? Like I just applied like a really good amount. I mean, you could see it on camera, but in person I'm kind of just like, And I'm getting, like, you can see, like, a ton on my brush here. I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing that I broke this, because I'm not too impressed, actually. I mean, you could definitely see it. Oh gosh, this is making such a mess. You could definitely see it. Don't get me wrong, but it's absolutely not as intense as some of my other high-end blushes that I own. So yeah, not that great, actually. I'm a little disappointed in that one. But this highlight, though, this highlight looks super promising. This is the Effortlessly, I don't know what I just said, okay? This is the Effortlessly Airbrush Highlighter Illuminator in Stardust. It's like a golden, like super sparkly highlight. So I hope this one works out for me. Ooh, a lot of kickback just came off of that. Oh, you can see that? Oh, yes. Oh, yes, this highlight is so pretty. Can you see that? It just made my face, like, literally beaming. Oh my goodness. Okay, this makes up for the blush not being that good. This is stunning. Definitely, like, a lot of product, as you can tell, came off when I dipped my brush into it, but that's okay because the results were beautiful. And then the last product, is this the last product? Yeah, the last product I have here is the lips. We're gonna finish off the look with this Mally Beauty Intense Color Lip Gloss, and this one is in Gold Digger. Gold Digger. And this is what it looks like. It's not labeled as like a liquid lip or like a gloss or anything like that. It just says intense lip color. So we'll see what that means. But it looks super pretty. Doesn't really have a smell or anything either. This is really pigmented. I'm just gonna add a little bit more though. Here, I'll do a quick little zoom in so you can see the lip color. And then there's kind of close up is the whole look all together. So there is the lip on. This is the full look we have right here. It's really pretty. I'm actually really happy with the way that it came out. Some products were good, some were not so good, like the blush. Wasn't too impressed with that. The eyebrow products was really nice. I think it's just gonna take a little bit for me to get used to the formula of that. Love this lip color. I think this might actually be like my favorite thing that I tried today. Color is so pretty. It's like a really pretty pinky neutral color, and it's like the right amount of gloss that my lips don't feel sticky, but they just feel really nice and hydrated. So I super love that. I was actually really impressed with these little like brushes that came in the Mally Beauty makeup kits as well. Those were pretty nice. The mascara, it wasn't my favorite, but wasn't horrible either. But these shadow sticks, really would recommend. So yeah, I'd say overall really impressed with all the products that I used today. Hope you guys were too. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.